feeling? Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how to make dawadawa. Process of making dawadawa is the most popular spice in Ghana. Okay. So guys, when you are like pounding this, you're supposed to be careful. Okay, so it's little by little and gentle by gentle, because if you do it hardly, you will crush all. And you know that we mix it with sand. Okay, so if you crush it, you're not going to get nothing from it. So you're supposed to do this little until all is done. Okay, so I'm on it. Process of how to make dawadawa step by step, and it become just good. And so guys, now we are done. We are carrying into the pipe to wash it. Okay, we are carrying the dawadawa to the stream to wash it. Okay, so guys, now we are going to the stream. So we are on our way to the stream to wash it. It's my mom. Carriage. It's a pot, but they make it with a hose. Okay, so this is the one that we are going to use to wash the dawadawa. Okay, look at it. But here is already spoiled by the patchet, so we are going to use this to wash the feeling.